In healthcare, every minute counts. But what happens when your patients are ready, but your system not quite? Introducing GE HealthCare Expert Live Support. Connect your system to InSite and open a ticket to benefit from expert live support at full capacity. With a single click on the console, an engineer will soon connect to the machine, live, remote, and seamless, even as the scan goes on. Problem fixed, right on time for the first patient. And if there's an update, the system lets you know. You decide when to run it, after hours or between the patients. No need for a technician. Keep up with your schedule and get support across all stages of ultrasound care. Get your questions answered with just a few taps in the Star app. Use Augmented Reality to enhance onboarding, maintenance and on-demand training. Expert guidance is always a moment away, right when you need it. Provide quality care without delays and distractions with GE HealthCare Expert Live Support.